Have you ever thought about investing in the stock market, but didn't know where to start? It's a common predicament, but fear not. This is where we step in to demystify the process. Investing in the stock market can be as simple or complex as you make it. At its core, it's about buying a piece of a company, known as a stock, and profiting from its success. If the company does well, the value of your stock increases. If the company doesn't do well, the value of your stock may decrease. You can also earn money through dividends, which are a portion of the company's profits distributed to shareholders. Not all companies offer dividends, but those that do can provide a steady income stream. Now, what about bonds? Unlike stocks, bonds are essentially loans you give to a company or government. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest after a certain period of time. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks, but they also have lower potential returns. Understanding market trends is another crucial part of stock market investing. Trends show the general direction in which the market or a particular stock is moving. This can help you make informed decisions about when to buy or sell. Now, onto some tips for beginners. First, consider starting with a small investment. This reduces your potential losses while you learn the ropes. Second, diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of stocks, bonds, and other assets to spread out your risk. If one investment performs poorly, another might do well to offset the loss. Lastly, avoid common pitfalls. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. Stick to your investment plan, even when the market gets rough. And remember, investing is a long-term game. Patience is key. To recap, investing in the stock market involves buying stocks and possibly bonds, earning money through dividends, and understanding market trends. For beginners, it's recommended to start with a small investment, diversify your portfolio, and avoid getting swayed by emotions. Remember, every investor started somewhere. With a bit of knowledge and patience, you too can navigate the stock market with confidence. Happy investing!